Hey guys, Brad from Blue Nile Farm. Welcome to the channel. I want to show you a real quick way how you can take London Broil, marinate it, and get the most out of your marinade, getting it infused into the meat. You know, a lot of guys you'll see and girls will cook and they'll talk about taking a fork and sticking it in the meat and poking holes and then letting the marinade soak. But there's a better way of doing it, and the best tool out there, and I've talked about this in other videos, is a Jaccard. And the Jaccard is basically a tool that has 48 knives, and they poke into the meat, and you do it on both sides, and it will basically break up the muscle fibers, take cheap meat and basically tenderize it. But what it does when you're marinating, it allows the liquid to actually get into the meat and really work on the fibers and actually create more flavor. You know, when you use a fork, you're going to be working really hard and it's going to take a long time. You know, just by utilizing this tool, in probably 30 seconds, I can put hundreds, if not thousands, of little holes into this meat and really break up some of those fibers. It's really kind of neat. So let me show you how it works real fast. I have marinade that's already pre-made, and all we're going to do is take 2.5 pounds of London Broil, which are relatively pretty cheap meat. We're going to take them out of the package. We're going to take them on a cutting board. We'll use the Jaccard on both sides. We'll put them in a plastic bag. We'll apply the marinade, and we'll be done and let it soak in for 8 to 12 hours. And then we'll turn around and cook it. Very simple. So let me show you the process. So here you have 2 pieces of meat right here. Here's the Jaccard. What we're going to do is take the Jaccard, and all we have to do is press down on the meat. And those knives are actually poking holes into the meat itself. We want to do the entire piece of meat in different directions, and because what it will do is not only will it flatten the meat, but it's poking those holes in, so when we pour our marinade in, it's going to work its way right inside. And here you can see the holes starting to break right in, and it's loosening up the fibers. We'll do this other steak here, then we'll flip them over. Okay, that's one done. So we'll flip them over, do the same thing. And what you'll notice is the steaks actually start to loosen up and they start to flatten out. What we're doing is we're really breaking up all that fat and fibers that are really make these things really non-tender. So there you have it, real simple. We put more holes in than we would ever do with this fork. I can't imagine poking my fork in here as many times as I just put a Jaccard through it. So this is really a technique. This is one made by J.Y. Cookment, which is a $20 Jaccard. You can buy them on Amazon. They work great. And I'll tell you, I cook every bit of meat and poultry with these things just to tenderize it. And when it comes down to adding some kind of marinade, now that we have these holes in and we put in the bag, all these holes that we just poked in, that marinade is going to sneak in and start to actually tenderize inside the meat, not just on the outside. So let's get a bag, pour it all in. So these steaks are pretty big. So we're going to get a 2.5, they're 2.5 pounds like I said. Get yourself a jumbo plastic bag. Stick your meat in. And flatten them out in the bag. Then what we'll do is you'll have your marinade. And we're just going to pour the marinade directly into the bag. And at this point, you can just seal it up. Now we're done. We'll let the marinade soak. It'll work itself into the meat. And there you have it. So you're taking a cheap piece of meat, you're going to marinate it, and now you're going to see how good it really works. and it's a perfect way to go. So guys, thanks for watching that video. I'll tell you what, this tool by JY Cookman for 20 bucks, you can't go wrong. I utilize it on pork, chicken, turkey, any kind of beef. You know, anytime you're working with marinade or you just want to loosen that piece of meat up that's normally very stiff, you can put it on high-end steaks to low-end steaks. It really just breaks those fibers down and really allows you to get flavor into your meat. So many ways you can use this. Go get yourself one of these. I guarantee you use it all the time. And if you don't, you're making a huge mistake because it'll open up all kinds of different flavors into your traditional cooking that you've probably been doing for many years. So until next time, guys, thanks for watching.